iPad is the same as IP. Apple pairs and encrypts third-party replacement cables. Now Elle will share with you Luben's iPad Pro FPC earpiece cable. iPad Pro Face ID is not available. True Tone On can be used. Take off the screen first. Use Luban FPC earpiece cable to replace the original. The original color bar needs to be transplanted. Welding tutorial. Take out Luban Intelligent Repair Instrument L3. Install the welded cable on the small board of Luban Intelligent Repair Instrument. Test the cable for proper functionality. The chip test can be burned, indicating that the function is normal. Connect the iPad to the Luban L3 Smart Programmer. Sensor display has been tied. Start writing data directly. Written success can start installation testing. Face ID is entered normally. True Tone On is functioning properly.